Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Microsoft Office error code 02048. First, let's ensure the basics are covered. This error frequently points to installation or activation problems. Begin by verifying your internet connection is strong and stable. Next, confirm your computer meets the minimum system requirements for your Office version. Finally, try temporarily disabling any antivirus or firewall software you have running, as these can sometimes block the installation or activation process. Remember to re-enable them afterward for your system's security. If the initial checks don't resolve the issue, the next step is to repair your Office installation. Head over to your Windows settings, then find Apps and Features or Programs and Features. Locate your Microsoft Office entry, click on it, and select Modify. You'll typically be given two options, Quick Repair and Online Repair. We highly recommend choosing Online Repair as it downloads fresh installation files and performs a more comprehensive fix, which is often necessary for persistent errors like 02048. Sometimes, old or corrupted cache data and credentials can cause unexpected errors. To address this, first, clear your Office cache files. You can often find these in your user's App Data folder. Second, open the Windows Credential Manager, which you can find by searching in the Start menu. Look for any entries related to Microsoft Office and remove them. This step ensures that Office isn't trying to use outdated or incorrect login information, which can be a common culprit behind activation and installation failures, like error 02048. If you've tried all these steps and the error code 02048 still appears, it's time to reach out to the experts. Contact Microsoft support with all the details you've gathered. They can provide more specific troubleshooting. As a last resort, you might try creating a brand new user profile on your Windows system and attempting the Office installation or activation from there. Also, always ensure your Windows operating system and all your device drivers are completely up to date, as this can prevent many software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.